Hello, everybody, and welcome back to English Fiesta. Are you ready to learn some English? Let's learn some English with calisthenics. With calisthenics, oh yeah. Okay, let's begin. So, there's me. There's a black guy. I'm a black guy. I'm African American. Or you could say I'm black. I'm a black guy. What am I doing? Well, I'm at the grocery store. I'm at the grocery store and I'm upside down. So I'm not standing up straight. I'm upside down. So there's me, a black guy, upside down on a shopping cart? Yes, I'm standing on a shopping cart. But I'm not standing with my feet. I'm not standing with my feet. I'm standing with my hands. This is called a handstand because I'm standing on my hands. Crazy. Okay, let's see. Wait a second. So I did a push-up on the shopping cart. This is not AI. This is not artificial intelligence. This is real. There's me. There's a shopping cart. I'm doing a handstand on the shopping cart. And I did a handstand push-up. Nice. So me, Gregory, the black guy, I did a handstand on the shopping cart, but nobody cares. Nobody is paying attention. This woman, she's just shopping normally. This person, he's just working normally, and nobody's looking. Nobody cares that I'm doing a handstand on a shopping cart. One more time, let's watch. This woman, she's just shopping, minding her business. There's other people walking and nobody cares. Nobody cares about me or that I'm doing a handstand on the shopping cart at the grocery store. At a grocery store, normally you buy food. Food like here, there's food on the shelves. But me, I do handstands on shopping carts. That's just me. I love calisthenics. I love fitness and movement, and I love getting strong. Do you like calisthenics? Do you like fitness? Do you like getting strong? Hopefully so, maybe, but I know you like learning English. Learning English with comprehensible input is great. So keep watching English Fiesta videos, keep listening to English Fiesta videos, keep thinking and learning, and your English will improve. See you in the next video. Goodbye.